Hare Krishna devotees, welcome to the Prem Bhakti Chandrika series. Today we are going to discuss verse number 112. This talks about the theme is serving Chaitanya Mahaprabhu with heart and soul. So the verse goes like this: Shri Krishna Chaitanya Deva Rati Mati Tare Seva Prema Kalpataru Data व्रजराजनंदन राधिकार प्राणधन अपरूप ए सब कथा. So the meaning is Shri Krishna Chaitanya Dev, Lord Shri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Ratimati Tare Seva. With your heart and soul, serve him. Prema Kalpataru Data, he is the giver of fruit of love. He is the desire tree who gives the fruit of love. Love for Radha Krishna. And he is Vrajaraja Nandana, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. At the same time, Radhikara Pranadhana. Although Radhikara Pranadhana, yet Radhika also. So Radha Krishna both. Aparupa Isaba Katha. So it is so wonderful that Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, same time Radhika and Radhikara Pranadhan, Brajendra Nandan also. So let's see how. So first of all, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu रतिमती तारे से वो नरोत्तम दास ठाकुर says गौरांग गुणे ते छुरे नित्य लीला तारे स्फुरे से जन भक्ति अधिकारी. One who longs for Gauranga Mahaprabhu's qualities, remembering them. Uh, he is the Bhakti Adhikari, eligible for performing Bhakti. And Gaura Prema Rasaraname se Tarange Jeva Dube, se Radha Madhava Antaranga. So one becomes intimate associate of Radha Madhav only by um, drowning in the ocean of Gaura Leela. So, uh, so therefore serve him with heart and soul. Prema Kalpataru Data. It is mentioned that Prema Nama Adbhutartha Shravanapatha Gato Kasya Namna Mahimna Povetta Kasya Vrindavana Vipina Mahamadhurishu Pravesha को वा जानाति राधाम परमरस चमत्कार माधुर्य सीमाम एकश्चैतन्य चंद्रा परम करुणया सर्वमाविश्चकार. This means that prema namat bhutartha shravanapatagato kasya namnam mahim. Before Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, nobody actually even heard about the Purushartha called as prema, perfection called as love of Krishna. People were worshipping Krishna for bhukti, mukti, but not for prem. So Mahaprabhu taught how to do it. And कस्य नामना महिम्ना को वेत्ता कस्य वृंदावन वन विपिन महा माधुरीषु प्रवेशा. Who knew how to enter the mood of Vraja, mood of Vrindavan? Who knew the importance of holy name Hare Krishna Mahamantra before Chaitanya Mahaprabhu? And Kova Janati Radham, who knew Radharani is glorious, who is the greatest of Krishna's energies, Ladini Shakti, Sar of Krishna. And who is the Parama Rasa Chamatkar Sima, who is the limit of all um, wonderful, amazing mellows of love of Krishna. Ekas Chaitanya Chandra Parama Karunaya Avishakara. Sarvam Avishakara. All of that is revealed by Chaitanya Mahaprabhu to everyone like a Kalpataru, desire tree. Patra Patra Vicharanam na kurute, Nasvam Param Vikshate, Deya Deya Vimarshako Nahi Nava, Kala Pratiksha Prabhu. Um, what was difficult to be obtained by doing kirtan, shravan, and everything else. Mm, uh, all of that, dhatte bhakti rasam saeva bhagavan gaurah param me gati. Mm, uh, so, dhyanadina durlabham. What was difficult by Shravana, Kirtana, Pranamana, Dhyanadina, Durlabham. So that Chaitanya Mahaprabhu does not see higher and lower, qualified, unqualified, or waits for a time, or waits for whether Deya, thinks about what is to be given, not to be given. But like a Kalpataru, he is giving love of Krishna to everyone. Given that we don't offend devotees and we take seriously the chanting of holy name. यदि गौर न होय तो तबे की होय तो के मने धरिताम दे राधार महिमा प्रेम रस सीमा जगत जाना तो के मधुर वृंदा विपिन माधुरी प्रवेश चातुरी सार ब्रजेर युवती भावेर भकती शकती होई तो कार. So this is Gaurang Mahaprabhu. गाव गाव पुन्हा गौरांगेर गुण सरल करिया मन. एभव सागरे एमन दयाल ना देखिए एक जन. So that is Gauranga Mahaprabhu's glorious. Our Raghunath Das Goswami, for all practitioners, he mentions, he instructs the mind that na dharmam na dharmam shruti gana niruktam kila karu व्रजे राधा कृष्ण प्रचुर परिचर्यामि हतनु शची सूनुम नंदीश्वरपति सुतत्वे गुरुवरम मुकुंद प्रेष्ठत्वे स्मर परमजस्रम ननु मनः. ओ माइंड, न धर्मम ना धर्मम श्रुतिगण निरुक्तम किल कुरु. Do not do dharma and adharma mentioned in Shrutis. Sarvadharman parityajya mamekam sharanam braja. Braje Radha Krishna prachura paricharyami hatanu. Perform prachur paricharya to Radha Krishna, both mentally and with the body. Uh, and Shachi Sunam Nandishwara Pati Sutatve. Consider Gauranga Mahaprabhu to be Nandishwara Pati Suta, Nandanandan, Brajaraj Nandana, and Radhikara Pranadhan. And Guruvaram Mukunda Preshtatve. Consider Guru to be very dear to Mukunda. And like that, Smara Paramajasram. Always remember them. Nanumana, O mind. So that is the instruction to the mind. And Mahaprabhu is Krishna Swarup, um, having received or having imbibed the mood of Radharani, having taken the mood of Radharani. Radha Bhava Dyuti Suvalitam Naumi Krishna Swarupam. So by worshipping Mahaprabhu, one gets access to the worship of Radha Krishna. And with that, we will conclude. And Krishna willing, we will meet again. Till then, have a very nice Krishna conscious day. Hare Krishna.